It's my Dakota Digital, obviously mounted upside down, as you can see. I mean, someone's actually moved it in the housing because the bracket is actually at the bottom. So for some obscure reason, someone's taken this thing apart and actually moved it completely unrelated out. No idea why. Obviously must have been a way they weren't going to mount it underneath the bars perhaps. But this will be turned around. We can see now it does actually display your RPMs here, your time. If I press these buttons, you see it's got all these different setup speeds, mile an hour, which I think you've got to do that first. Hours, RPM, oil again, clock. I think got oil pressure, oil, volts, clock, hours, RPM. Yeah, you got oil pressure and oil temperature, I believe. Anyway, you can see there's quite a few buttons on this. You got to set the speedo up first, obviously. But cracking bit of kit, customcruisers.com. Thank you, Dakota Digital.